Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy from wendyscraftden, and today I'm showing you this album that I made. Well, album journal. It, you can either call them albums or journals, and I think mine's a bit of both. So you can see how old long ago I made it. Look, it's starting to come apart there. Now I used the rose paper pads from Heartfelt Creations. And here we go, our first page, and in here I've put a little concertina pocket, and here then I've got a private letter that I wrote to myself, so I remembered certain things, took them into account, and here then I've put little scriptures and all that I like, and just look at now and again so that I can remember when I wrote them and why, and those sort of things. So all of these inserts as well have come from that paper pad. And then here then it's called a special delivery, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, little mini booklet there, and it closes with a click. I love that click. Silly little thing that please me, but there we go. This is another one using these beautiful papers. Again, another scripture. Trust in Jehovah with all your heart and do not rely on your own understanding. I just love this. When I saw this paper pad, I thought, right, this has got to go into an album stroke journal. It's another one. That's one of the full pages. And what I've done is I've cut it and then chopped a bit off and stuck the bottom there. And this again is just something that I've made up so that I can. There's lots of places still. You know, you've got little areas like here and here. I mean, I could fill this 2 or 3 times more. And then I've got these. It's like a little, what do you call them now? Waterfall cards. Patience, kindness, love, goodness, peace, self-control, joy, and mildness. And then I've got another one. Oops. 2 little pockets there. I've got another few scriptures in. And then here, you open that up. And there's the verse of John 17:3. This with everlasting life they come and serve you, the only true God, and of the one whom you sent, Jesus Christ. So I thought that little pink, just a little thing to open. I don't know, I've been thinking of putting something on there, but I don't know. But behind there again is an empty space that I can put something on. Oh, and this one, I love this one, okay? Right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's all the verses from Sermon on the Mount in Matthew chapter 5, and I just love this paper. I've put all this writing down the side here as well. Now I probably closed this the wrong way round now, won't I? No, I didn't. There's a little click. It's only a little tiny. I mean, if you could look in there where it hasn't quite stuck, which I need to go around, it's only a little tiny, it's only a little tiny magnet I've got, but it does the trick. And then I turn it over, then to the last page, where I've got Psalm 55:22, and another little pocket there with some more I could write on. So there we are. Then we go through then to the back page, which again is one of the papers from the beautiful Heartfelt Creations paper pad. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.